The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Corryville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Numerous trees have been reported to be down from this storm. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corryville, Gap, Wakefield, Christiana, Georgetown, Kirkwood, Little Britain, and Buck. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lancaster, Pennsylvania.